As you know from our previous videos, we complained many times that we have issues with roadies.
This year they've been really cheeky and ate all tops of our potatoes. So we had to put that net, hoping that will save our potato crop. We don't know yet, but I think the plants managed to recover. Also, the corn.
Don't take me wrong, we like road deers, but we also like our crops and trees. For example, this one, you can see what they did to it. They almost destroyed the tree. So we had to cover it with a net, which is ugly thing, but the only option was like that. We're happy that we have some leaves now, but just a month ago it was just a skeleton of a tree.
That's the bark.
Yeah.
They were scratching their teeth here.
Anyway, we decided that we have to take some more serious measures to protect our crops. And we're fighting with wild animals for probably 2 years here. Neighbors' cats visit our garden to use like a toilet and they destroy a lot of crops. The same with squirrels, they try to steal our nuts. Rabbits, they destroy the cabbage. Last year we had just one cabbage for us.
Don't get us wrong, we love cats. We have one indoor cat, but they really like fresh soil and this is their new toilet.
Yeah, which is not good for us. Anyway, we decided to buy electric fence. I checked with the manufacturer. They assure that no animals will be harmed. And this is quite a safe way actually to protect your garden. It's a bit ugly, unfortunately, but when you don't have other options, we have to make compromise. The electric fence is produced from a Czech company called Fancy. And to be honest, I'm quite happy how it turned out. We already have it for 5 days, if I'm not wrong, installed. And for 5 days we don't have any intruders in the garden. Just one squirrel, that's, I don't know.
It was quite cheeky, that one.
Yeah.
It managed to shake the hazelnut trees a lot.
She ate everything. I don't know how this small animal manages to eat so much. But yeah.
It's functioning right now, the fence.
It is working. It's one good option that this one model have remote, which work 10 kilometers distance, which is excellent. Yeah.
This is the remote. It looks like walkie-talkie. It's
probably
quite easy because
principle.
you can take it with you, like I'm carrying it now.
You can switch it off actually.
Now?
Yeah.
So you just press that button and it's 0 kilowatts.
Which means that the fence is switched off.
I just don't like the fact about these things, especially in the corners.
The posts.
These posts are bending and don't look really nice.
They're too soft and maybe because I tightened too much the cable, the wire, but with this long distance I don't have other option. Unfortunately, or you have to support them with something stronger, or you probably have to untighten a bit the wire.
For now we put 3 wires. One is on 20 centimeters, the other one is on
60 and
60?
after that meter 20.
The producer suggests for road deers 120, which is the higher wire here. It's blue color, they offer another color options.
Yeah, they have colors. They suggested that the blue color is good for road deers because they can see it. I don't know, 1 meter 20 centimeters for me is too low because I saw them how they jump. They easily jump over 2 meter fence. But for now, really 5 days, no road deers, nothing, no rabbits, even no cats.
They've been actually roaming down in our land, but didn't come up.
No.
Maybe they sense the fence, I'm not sure.
Maybe. I'm very happy to see them in the mornings when I and Diana drink our coffee on the terrace, but I love them to stay in the forest, not in our garden. As I mentioned, I'm very happy with the installation of the fence. It took me 2 hours to cover more than 200 meters. It's quite simple to install actually. The wire is very flexible, it's quite strong. You can see the post here.
The only thing I'm not sure, the company that sold this thing for us said that these posts should be 10 meters apart, but I think it's a bit far too long distance because the wire, our terrain is not very flat and sometimes the wire goes to the ground.
It's a small problem
It
because
gives short.
that's true. Maybe I have to add additional posts here to relieve a bit the round posts because I think the wire is too heavy for it.
For us, it was a test purchase and test installation to see if this will work. Initially, as an investment, it's a bit expensive. How much money we spent, Milan?
With the posts and some connectors and the wire, I ordered 400 meters wire, which was pretty much enough for this space, around 600 euros, which is good investment having in mind that our crop is much more expensive and the trees as well.
Maybe next year we will, if we are happy, we will expand the fence a bit further down because road deers make many damages on our fruit trees. They keep crushing branches with fruits. So this year the fence will stay like that, and next year we'll probably extend it down.
That's the thing that we have to play with the configuration of the fence, because in some cases it may not work for you. We just have to observe. I was even planning to put one of our cameras outside to observe how the animals react. For now I don't see any need because obviously it works.
Just the squirrels pass it, but I think the down wire should be on 10 centimeters to stop them, because somehow they managed to go under.
If you put the wire lower, this is the other issue, then when you have the grass growing, it starts making shorts and making some noises. But I think 20 centimeters is fine. Maybe just we have to level on some places the wire. You can see how it looks from above. Here I left something like a door. The idea is that when you work in the garden, it's better to have some place where you can pass. As I'm not an expert, I was checking what is the best options to install similar installation, and I read that there are two main methods that people use for such fences, parallel method and serial method. The parallel method allows you to have separated wires and they can work independently, which is good because if one time someone of the wires get broken or something like that, the other will still work, but then you lose a bit of the power of the fence system. The other method, the serial one that I used for our fence, you just use the same cable. The cycle don't need to be closed, you just use the same cable for all the levels, 3, 4 or how many do you want. Very important thing to mention, the grounding. It should be 1 meter in the ground. In our case it was a bit tough because we have a lot of stones on our land. But yeah, I put it there. You see how I improvised with the installation because I'm a bit afraid that we can eventually step on the cable.
And this is the device.
Yeah, this is the device itself. Pretty nice actually. It's quiet, makes some small noise.
It's actually the most expensive part of the electrical fence.
Yeah, that's true. It's connected to the socket. Good thing is that you can use a battery, 12-volt battery for this, and it will work. It covers several fences, which is very interesting. You can connect up to I think 10 or 12 different fences.
And how long the wire can be connected?
The wire could be covering 70 kilometers, which is fantastic. In our case, it's just 200-300 meters, not more. But it's a good option for people that have big land, and also with this remote that works from 10 kilometers. It's just easy to match this. Yeah,
it's quite simple to work with, even a person like me.
Yeah.
That is not very technical.
The good thing with this remote is that it can alarm you if there is something wrong with the fence somewhere. Yesterday I noticed that there was some grass making short with the wire, and the remote displayed that the power is going down. So I checked the fence, removed the grass, and now it's working perfectly fine.
What happens if some wild animal cuts the wire? Can we reconnect it, rewire it?
Yes, they sell connectors, which are quite cheap. I bought 5 connectors for 6 euros, and you just connect the wire. This is actually the main disadvantage of the serial method of installation. If the wire is broken somewhere, the installation stops working in general. Everything stops.
Because I heard many stories that road deers are quite cheeky and resourceful. They find a way. Sometimes they even chew that thing.
Yeah, I heard the same. Well, unfortunately, you have to fix the wire. The other method, that is the parallel one, then each one of the wires works independently. Maybe it's better, but again, I need to use all the power of the station, so for me, this method is much better. So basically, if the investment worth or no, it's up to you. For us, it definitely worth, because we have a lot of crops that were destroyed last year. I can't estimate exactly how much it was, but having in mind how much work we put in that garden, it definitely worth 600 euros. Well, having in mind that you can use this system for many years, and the remote that is working very well, which makes your life easier, it definitely worth. The good thing is that we can extend that network. If you decide, you can connect another network that will cover, let's say, different garden, because we have another small garden at the moment that is not covered with it, but I can easily add additional wire and just put a second installation.
I don't think the electricity consumption will be too much of this device.
No, the specification says...
The bill won't jump a lot.
I hope no, we still don't know, because we have just 5 days, we'll see in the end of the month, but I believe it consumes almost like a fridge, maybe the same amount of...
Per month.
Yeah, per month, we'll see. But for now, we are very happy, and I hope no more destroyed crops and trees in our garden. So that was our update about our fence. We will definitely give you some feedback in a few months, because short term it works, but it's very important to work long term, because we have crops from early spring until late autumn, which means that this fence should work at least 6-7 months per year. Guys, if you like this episode, please click that like button. It's important for us to know that you like our videos. And also please subscribe to our channel. That will be very appreciated, because we need your support to know that we are doing the right thing and we are making the right content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.